In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cart notes to Shopify checkout. Cart notes are a simple text box that appears in the cart where customers can leave special instructions or requests about their order. This is really useful if you need details like customizations, delivery notes, or anything that helps you fulfill orders more accurately. Let's walk through exactly how to enable this in your Shopify theme. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and your online store. We're going to work with your theme settings, so make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. Next, from the dashboard, look for the section labeled Online Store in the left-hand menu, and then click on Themes. Here, you'll see your current theme at the top. Click on the button that allows you to customize or edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, which lets you visually adjust different parts of your store without touching code. Once the theme editor is open, you'll usually land on your homepage by default. If it doesn't open on the homepage, just make sure the drop-down at the top of the editor is set to Homepage so we can start from a familiar place. Now we want to switch from the homepage view to the cart. In the top center of the theme editor, there's a page selector or drop-down. Click on it and choose Cart. This tells Shopify that you want to edit how the cart page looks and behaves. On the left-hand side, you'll see the sections that make up your cart page. Look for the section that includes the subtotal area, often labeled something like cart footer or similar, and click on the part related to the subtotal in that left-hand column. This is where the cart note option is usually controlled. After that, look for the theme settings or a similar settings icon in the sidebar. Click on it to open the broader settings panel. Inside these settings, you should see an option for cart or cart note. There will be a toggle or checkbox next to cart note. Click that toggle to turn it on. This instantly activates the note field in your cart so customers can type their instructions. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. In the top right corner of the theme editor, click on Save. Once it's saved, you can preview your store, add an item to your cart, and you should now see a cart note text box